Hey guys, it's Emma from Missy Moo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make iced coffee. So, in this episode, So, for this recipe, you're going to need sugar. You will obviously need coffee. You can use a glass cup. This is a long one, or optional. Well, these are optional. You can pick any cup that you want, or a mug. And you will also need ice. That's in my freezer. So ice. So let's get on. The first one is to boil your water. Once you've done that, you're going to need a teaspoon, and you're going to get your coffee. And since I don't like the bitter taste of it, I'm going to use this cup. So I'm going to get So you're going to get your teaspoon, and you're going to get your coffee, your desired amount, put it in the cup, and then you're going to move the coffee out the way, and you're going to get your cup of coffee. They're my budgies. And then you're going to get your sugar, and you're going to you're going to get like a teaspoon and a half, and then you're going to go over to your freshly boiled water. Now I'm here at my kettle station, and you're only going to pour in a little bit. I'll show you how much I pour. I only pour like that much, like an inch. Search what an inch is if you don't know. Then you're going to get your spoon again. I'm back with my spoon. You're going to mix it up. You're going to mix it up. Make sure your little budgies are quiet when you mix your coffee. Now that all the bumps and lumps are gone, you're going to get, so you know how you make normal coffee and then you'll put the water up to however much you want, like with just normal like boiled water. You're going to do the same with cold water. I put my cold water in, it's still quite warm. And now you're going to mix it so then the cold and warm stuff can combine together. This is all of my foam. I love the foamy parts, well, bubbly part. So you're going to mix it up, and then you're going to go back and get your milk out. If you like, get your milk, and you pour how much milk you want in your drink. So now you're going to pour your milk into your cup. Sorry for the background noise. So you're going to pour your milk into your cup to your desired amount of milk. I say desired twice today. Okay, so I like mine quite milky, so you put all your milk in. This spoon is way too short. Okay, so now we're on to the final step. You go to the freezer and get the ice. We're in the ice cube area. The final step, you add your ice cubes into your drink. I'll hold it up to you. Boom. There's your drink done. If it's it's good. Bye. Still filming. Still two. Now, if it's still, so only this is how much I would use. Then you pour it into your cup, like that, like that.